Introducing Legendary Heroes Unchained, a groundbreaking play-and-own card-based game set in the medieval era of Corellis. Players assemble a troop of 5 heroes and embark on interesting quests. Each hero can come in one of 5 affinity factions: Light, Dark, Fire, Water, and Earth. Heroes can be leveled up with experience points gotten from in-game battles. However, there is also the Evolve feature that boosts the hero stats by a considerable amount. For heroes to evolve, players would need to gather Evo crystals, which are quite rare to find. Every hero comes with 2 battle skills and an ultimate attack which contributes to the survival of the team. Plan a strategy when choosing which heroes to take into battle for the highest chances of survival. Players are tasked with traversing multiple quests in order to reach the final boss and defeat it. These quests are all unique with their own storyline, some being offensive and requiring players to fight with the costly option of fleeing, while others are a game of chance which could positively or negatively affect the heroes, and many more unique quests on your way to the final boss. Once the battle begins, players can see all enemy stats, their abilities and powers, as well as the stats for the team. Plan an angle of attack and use multipliers to increase the damage to enemy players. But be careful, increasing your multiplier quickly drains through your energy. Each battle rewards you with coins, points, and a variety of other items that can aid you on your journey. If your heroes are killed or injured, you can use meat or other health items to bring them back into the game. Shrine quests usually offer some form of boost to heroes in the form of dexterity, strength, or any other stat that makes them stronger. The final boss is usually a lot more powerful than all your heroes combined, so ensure to heal them up and plan a strategy while attacking the boss. Use everything to your advantage, especially the multiplier damage boosts during boss fights. Legendary Heroes Unchained features a very unique playstyle with very realistic graphics for a card game. Complete all your quests and rank high in the leaderboards, and you can also claim loot from event bonuses. If you're ready to get started with LHU, head over to legendaryheroesunchained.com today to get started.